If you're looking for a compact fan that you can use for just about anything, you came to the right place. The C Auto fan is small, is compact, and extremely powerful for its size. If you want to go ahead and dust your place around, you want to go ahead and move the leaves around, and you're too lazy to get the leaf blower, this is the fan for you. You can even use this to just dust your vehicle as well. So a few different things about this. USB-C powered, it is nice and compact when it comes to its size, yet it is really big when it comes to its performance. You can easily interchange the different tools that are included with this, that you can go ahead and take it out and put it back in place. Lastly, it has 3 different modes as well, from the turbo mode to the more powerful mode that is continuous and the lowest possible power. Let's go ahead and show you the 3 different modes. You can pick the highest power, you can switch to the second one, and you can pick the lowest power too. Just press on it and clean this all up. So this is the lowest power mode right here. As you turn this on, it just turns on and starts working. Same deal with the second mode. By the way, over here is the button that you control all the modes. And the highest power, the turbo mode. This is the only one you have to keep your finger right on the trigger. Let's turn this on and you will see what I mean. So, turning it on the turbo mode right here, we're going to be pressing on in the front of this. Whoa! Definitely powerful. So, there you have it. Awesome fan. And let's go ahead and show you what is included in the box, the actual testing of the product, and why this is awesome. Superpower Turbo Fan. It is a very interesting looking fan over here. The box itself is my favorite. It comes with a user's manual as well. On the inside we have the actual fan. It uses a USB-C port to charge it up. The buttons are over here to turn this on and to go ahead and change the power. This box also features a very nice case for you to go ahead and put this into for storage as well. And a few tools and accessories that are included, all combined over here, including a USB-C cable. Taking all this out, you're going to be seeing all the accessories that come with this. We have this brush over here. We can brush this off if it gets dirty, such as right here. We have 2 different brushes for us to have. One that looks like this, another one that looks just like this. Now we also have accessories that work for this as well. And we can pick whichever one we want and just put this in, just like this, and take this out as well. So you have a bunch of different accessories for you to pick from, and I really like it because you can go ahead and change this around, find whichever accessory works the best for it, and so on, including this one over here, which you can use to blow up certain things with it too. So it's really cool the way this thing is really made, and the possibilities are really endless over here. Now, the only hard part about this is to figure out which one is going to be your favorite accessory, and the only way to tell is just putting them on and testing them out and seeing how they actually perform for you. Now, for me, I actually like 2 of those the most. I like this one over here, and my favorite is actually, I think, this one. Although this one is a close second sometimes as well. But we have so many choices, and putting this on, go ahead, you just stick this in. It goes in just like about here, and as you put this on right inside here, twist it just a little bit and it goes right inside. So let's turn this on. This is the on button right here. This is the L button, and you can change the powers around. So right now this is the lowest power, second power, the most powerful one, which is the turbo mode. The turbo mode is the only mode that once you turn this on, it doesn't stay on it, and you have to just keep holding it. Everything else, you don't need to do that. So let's go ahead and test this out and see how this works when in use.